Starlights! I am back with another video. This time it is a video about fixing my mom's cake. So she ordered this cake from, I believe, Costco, and they didn't exactly do what she wanted them to do, so I'm going to fix it. Originally, she just wanted to kind of look like a silver play button, so I'm going to put fondant over it and just kind of make the whole thing look like a round play button. Also, I hate to be that person, but even the writing kind of looks a little sloppy. It looks like two different handwritings from the top and the bottom. We appreciate the effort, but it wasn't exactly what we wanted. They also put all these cake crumbs on the side and stuff. We really asked for just a regular plain cake, and they didn't listen to anything that we said, and so I told my mom I'll fix it the best I can, just to kind of make it look more to the vision of what she wanted. Normally Costco makes some pretty tasty cakes, but we were kind of disappointed that they didn't really care to listen to what we said we wanted. Keep in mind, I am not a cake decorator. I am not going to claim to be good at cake decorating. I just have seen videos and I'm a creative soul. I enjoy baking, and so I thought I could do my best to help her. Started by flattening out the top and wiping off the sides, just so I can just put the flat fondant on the top and just kind of make it look like a round silver play button. After kind of measuring the fondant, getting it all down and flat, I was just going to try to put the little triangle play button on it, because literally we just wanted it to be plain. Just a plain silver top with the little play button on it, just so it could sit next to her silver play button and just kind of look similar to one another. I did add a little extra sparkle to it though. I will say I did not have a cake scraper, and I was just kind of trying to pipe on some extra frosting so that I can kind of smooth it out. That, I don't even know what that tool was, but it was not the cake scraper. And I tried to make a little bit of a border. Once again, not the best in the world. I am not necessarily great at this, but I did my best, so yeah. In the end, this is how it turned out. Let me know what you think. I tried my best, and I think it looks better. But anyway, congratulations, Mom. Love you. Bye.